Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute, beginner-friendly Halloween tumbler. If you like my tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also check the description below for all products used. And if you really like my style of teaching, I go into more detail in my mentorship group, and I also have a link below for that as well. I am going to be working on a 32 plump from the Tipsy Magnolia. I have a discount code linked for you down in the description. And we're just going to take a white paint and paint that in the center. And then on both sides, we are going to paint a black paint. I am just using a chalk paint. I usually prefer Miss Lillian's brand, but you can also use a spray paint if you would like as well. I like a chalk paint as I can just do it at home, at my desk, and it dries super quick. I let that first coat dry and added a second coat. This time I am going to blend those a little bit better. And I'm doing that by just adding paint, and while it's wet, going over both sections with a brush. After your paint has fully dried, we are going to mix up a few milliliters of epoxy and spread that on super thin to our tumbler. I am now going to take one of my newest Halloween glitters called Creepy. It is such an adorable mix. It's like nothing I've seen out on the market, so it is so cute. It also gives off 80 vibes, so I don't think you need to just keep it for your Halloween stash. I think it'd be really fun for a really cute neon tumbler as well. It has black and then neon colors in there. It's just a super fun tumbler. I've put a little bit just in a medicine cup, and I'm just going to lightly sprinkle this sporadically around my tumbler. Now I'm going to take the glitter color DOA, which is a super sparkly black with a little hint of like a really dark navy. And I'm just going to start by placing that at the top and bottom rim, and then ombreing it down into the white section, and I'm going to do that on the top and bottom. Now we are going to grab one of my all-time favorite silvers called Tinker. It's like a really soft silver, and it has a little bit of a pinkish shift, maybe champagne shift. It's just really stinking cute, and it's super sparkly, and it's just really soft. And we're gonna ombre that from the middle to both ends of the black. I was using a fast set to apply my glitter, so I have just let that glitter and epoxy layer cure for a couple hours, and then I took my tumbler over to my turner and applied epoxy. Depending on the thickness of your epoxy, you may need 1 or 2 coats. I believe I did 2 coats, but you are going to want to make sure your tumbler is completely smooth. Once your tumbler is smooth and the epoxy is cured, we're gonna use this cute Halloween 02 from AB Designs Co. It is the white backed vinyl. And I'm going to also cut out my decal. This decal was provided for my mentorship group, where I supply 8 new SVGs every single month, and you can use them however you would like on tumblers or t-shirts or tote bags. And this one was just so perfect for this tumbler. It is too cute to spook, and I'm gonna place that right in the middle of that Tinker glitter. Now I'm going to go back over to my cute Halloween little characters and bubble cut lightly around the ones I want to use. I'm just going to place these sporadically around my tumbler. Now that I have all of my elements on, I am just going to go back to that sheet and cut out a bunch of these dots. They come in different colors and different sizes, and I'm just going to place these sporadically, kind of bunched by the little elements, but anywhere I feel like there is dead space, I'm going to place them. Once you have your tumbler the way you like it, take it back over to your turner and add your final layers of epoxy. This tumbler is definitely too cute to spook. It is so stinking cute. Those little elements are just so adorable with the big eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial.